According to Randstad Malaysia's latest survey, almost 50% of employees in Malaysia are likely to leave their jobs to start their own business. And I'm pretty sure that you who is watching this video right now have at least once thought of quitting your 9-to-5 job so that you can live that successful business life where you can enjoy working with flexible hours and abundance of wealth.
But before you make that decision, we would first like to share with you some insights as to why starting a business may be a bad idea instead of a good one.
And all of this is coming up after this. Number 1, immense amount of workload. One of the biggest factors why people want to start their own business is to gain flexibility and more free time to themselves. But most are unaware that running your own business is very time consuming, especially in the beginning. You are always on call. You cannot clock out from work at the end of the day like you can when you are employed by someone else. There's always work to do, and you're the only one who can make sure it gets done. If you are expecting to only work when you want, you will be disappointed. You may now be your own boss, but customers don't care about your sleep schedule or holiday plans. Your customers will want what they want when they want it. And when they do, you will have to be ready for them. That means you may not have time for your friends or with your family, or even longer sleep in the weekends because you are committed to make your business work, and these are the sacrifices that all successful business owners have to go through. So if you don't think you can accept that, then being in business may not be for you. The second reason is selling, and selling is part of the job. If you can't sell, then you shouldn't start a business. Period. Owning a business means you have to take accountability in the sales department. That means no matter what happens, you have to make sure that a steady number of sales comes in each day, and that responsibility may force you to push yourself to do many uncomfortable things that you don't normally do, like cold calling or approaching people on the streets or handing out flyers from day to night. So please ask yourself, are you willing to do all that? But I know what some of you might be thinking.
Oh, I can just use social media to sell my products, like post on Facebook or Instagram. It's going to be easy.
Wrong. Posting on social media may help you get some exposure, but it does not guarantee a sale. Your post or advertisement will have to continuously be seen by people online. That's why most businesses spend money to promote on social media. And it's not just some money. It's a large amount of money spent on regular basis. And even then, there is still no guarantee that you will see a sale from the advertisement that you put out. Marketing usually requires a lot of trial and error, and that is why many people give up on marketing because they think it's too costly for their budget. So if you're not willing to put the time and energy to make the sale or the money to market regularly, then starting a business may not be a suitable idea for you.
Reason number 3, a business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many people think that starting a business could somehow improve their finances, but no, it doesn't. In fact, it could worsen your finances. When you start a business, you will incur many expenses, either capital expenses to buy equipment or operating expenses to run your business. And these expenses could continue on for months, some even years before you start earning any profits. So if you desperately need more money now or in a year's time, starting a business would not be able to help you. In fact, it may be better for you to look for a higher pay job or a part-time job instead that could give you instant cash, or to reorganize your finances through budgeting. Because business do requires time and effort, and for your effort to turn into profits, it could take years. Many business owners suffered many years of losses before they start earning any single profit.
Reason number 4, business always carry risk. Starting a business is no different from making an investment. An investment always carries risk. Financial risk is, of course, one of the biggest risks that many people fear because there is no guaranteed return when you start a business. And you may even lose more money during the process. Even if you have the determination to make the business work, there are many other risk factors that could make things worse for you. Things such as economy risks, like how the pandemic caused many hotels to go bankrupt, or even the risk of facing difficult customers that makes unreasonable demands or not paying for the goods or services you provide. All of these risks are the things that you will have to face as a business owner. And if you're not ready or willing to deal with it, then starting a business may not be such a good idea.
Reason number 5. It may not work if you are just doing it for the money. When you start this business, are you mainly aiming for quick money, or is this your career goal, your passion? If it's just for the money, you may find it very difficult to succeed because running a business can be really exhausting, and there's so much that you've got to sacrifice before your effort is being rewarded. You'll be bounded by your business for at least a few years before it starts getting stable. Even then, you will find it difficult to have your business out of your sight, especially when you're running a store like restaurants, cafe, product-based, and so on. It's going to be tough. But if you can find rewarding moments like customers liking your products, giving you good feedback, investors loving your business idea, you will find that the first few years of your business is not too bad. Even though financially you're struggling, but emotionally you feel supported, and that's how you strive through. Remember, Ivy mentioned just now that sales is a part of the process. When you are trying to pitch a sale, the other party, like customers or investors, could tell that whether you are just out to get their money or you're passionate and believe that your product and services will be able to help them. And that makes a lot of difference in whether you get the sale or not.
If you're unsure whether starting a business is a good financial move, you can reach out to us for a consultation by clicking the link down below.
If you are a business owner yourself, share your opinion in the comments down below so that more people can read what starting a business is like. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't.
And we will see you next week. Bye!
Bye.